Hi there, this is Fixed It. This is an unboxing of a very old Valtock Methylated Spirit burner blowtorch that I've just bought on eBay. This obviously needs a good clean and a good service. It consists of a tank here for methylated spirits with a spout on it, and one on the other side which should have a wick in it, and a handle, and then the blowtorch head. It's unusual to find them still having the blowtorch head, and once I've cleaned it up and got it working, I'll do another video, part 2, which shows it in use. These kind of devices are used by jewelers, and I first came across one when I was training as a dental clerk assistant in the British Army in the 70s, and they're really useful. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Check out my other items and my other videos. There's over 500 to choose from. Thanks for watching. Bye.